Boom, 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 boom. Hello, everybody. I'm doing a short unboxing video. Let me set up my phone because I know people on TikTok want to see this. Where is my phone? There's my phone. So we're gonna set this up real quick too. You strangers in the night, exchanging glances. Strangers in the night. I have a huge package, she said. Show him the goods, all of the goods. Is that a little tease? And I said no. Come on, get to where I don't hear your stuff. Okay, friends on my TikTok as well. I'm actually live right now over on twitch.tv/geekers. I'm doing an unboxing live, so I'm going to do one here for you too. Oh wait. I'm live right now. This is going on live over on twitch.tv/geekers. I'm also doing it here on Twitch real quick. So I have a really large package, so hold on. Okay, I'll start that up. So a friend of mine said, I'm sending you a package. This is a rather large package. Let's see what we got here. I'm actually scared because this thing weighs 33 pounds. So here we go. No, stop. Okay, here we go. I see some of y'all are in here. What the action? I gotta put this on the floor so I can, or put it on. Hang on. Why is it boxes are hard and they... Come on. I'm having to rip the box apart. Y'all aren't seeing this. Box one is down. this is what I think it is. Guys, I have great friends. Streams are going to get a lot better. And I'm now to get it out of this thing. You know, getting this out of this box is kind of hard because I live in a small apartment. All the cables. Ripping off the plastic. It's a PC case. Yeah, it's just temporary. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have fun tonight, guys. I gotta hook everything up. I'll have them walk me through it. But yeah. TikTok, my friend sent me a PC. I'm live right now. This is going on live over on twitch.tv/geekers. So yeah, I gotta. Oh boy. Oh wow. Dude, you're awesome. I'm gonna download the VOD and put it in the channel on our Discord. Dude. I haven't opened this up yet. There's a video card? This is the whole PC. So I need to take this. It's a full piece. I need to take this this off. Yeah, out on it. Let me. Oh Lord. Let me. I need to get a screwdriver that I can do this. I don't have one available at the moment. Oh wow. Wait, is there one in here? Oh no, that's cables and yeah. I'm gonna be setting this up tonight, guys. Zach, Benji, guys, everybody, thank you so much. I know what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and end this and set this aside and sit down because I think I twinged my back trying to get this thing out. So, Zach, thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much, guys. I'll put this video into Discord. Oh, God. Yeah. I'm gonna have fun tonight. Woo! Later, guys. Oh, that's not the one I want. That's the one I want. Later, guys.